What's up, y'all? So today I'm about to show y'all the many forms. I say many because yes, there's many, but here's many forms of the GX4. So first form, the base form, the GX4 is what you get when you buy it. Regular form. This is what you'll get when you get the base GX4. Never mind the sights, these are custom sights. So this is the GX4 base. This is what it'll look like. Besides the clip draw, that's what that'll look like. GX4 Taurus, and that has the optic mount for to put optics. Like again, custom sights, you don't get this unless you put custom sights on here, but that's what that look like. Need to get another spring. That's what that look like on there. Black barrel, optics ready, but I don't have an optics on here. That's what that looks like. Now for the grand finale, GX4 Taurus XL version. GX4xl have an optics on here, and the difference between this one is it's longer. This one don't comes with optics, obviously. It's pretty much the Taurus X4 Taurus with the plate, but a little bit longer. See the difference? And it comes with these two mags. Now, I didn't go buy this. I actually bought this. I didn't buy a whole new gun or nothing. I just bought the slide that goes for it. So if you get the XL slide, it will fit on the G4 lower. So, and it comes with the barrel, the spring, and you know, the whole slide. But that will fit on your GX4. So you don't need to go out and buy the a whole nother GX4 XL if you don't want to. Just get the slide. If you already got it, just get the slide. Same with the Taurus, the XL. I'm sorry, the G4 Taurus. Just buy the slide, and it comes with the spring and the barrel. It comes, but if you was to get the XL version, you know, the whole gun, it comes with two of these extended mags. But of course, I could have, I think one of these I did buy, and the other ones I converted. So you go on their website, you can get the back plate, and you know, just pretty much just extend this. So this is the XL version. It's a little bit longer. I'm gonna show y'all the difference between the cases. So it still fits my case or any other case you got for the G4. It's just the barrel just sticks out a little bit more. Show y'all what it look like. Take the mag off first. This is the G4 Taurus. And see, it's flush. XL Taurus. Just a little bit longer. And pretty much this give you, with this longer barrel being on here, it give you more accuracy. So, you know, you got a little bit longer barrel, you get more accuracy. It's not shorter. I mean, not to say that this don't have good accuracy, but I mean the XL Taurus or the base, it's just longer barrel, you get more accuracy, better accuracy with these. So yeah, so that's the GX4xl Taurus. I don't have the base model of the GX4xl without the optics ready part, but you know, ain't no point in me buying that. Pretty much the same damn thing, but without the optics. I prefer the optics to be on there, so I'm not buying that just for the base model of the XL without the optics. No pointless. So if you don't want to buy a new gun and you already have the XL, not the XL, if you don't want to buy a new gun and you got the G4, these are many forms that they can convert from base to Taurus to XL and to XL Taurus. This by the slide, and it comes in a kit off their website. Taurus. Yes, I like Tauruses. All right, have a good one.